Right, Rebel V2. We go with 1 tick of flaps. Gear coming up. Flaps are up. Now this is on a Roaring Top 4S battery and listed as 80C, but I noticed last night when I charged it I had one cell that topped off at around 4.14, actually 2 cells, 4.14, and the other 2 is up 4.18, 4.19. So I balanced it and then recharged it and got them all up to 4.18. High was like 4.19, might as well say, rounded up. So it's a little leery to use it, but figured go ahead. So let's give it a high speed here in front of us. You want the stick speed?
No, thank you.
I'm telling you, this thing flies so easy.
I've got the Viper.
You have other low-wing planes that you've flown, right?
Yes.
Warbirds?
Yes.
Yeah, if you've...
Well, I've flown the Commander.
Oh, if you can fly the Commander, you can fly this. Actually, this is probably easier than the Commander, truth be told. As long as you know, keep your speed up. Don't go below half throttle at any time unless you're ready to land or flying straight. Like there in the turns, you definitely want to keep up half throttle at least.
Well, maybe I'll bring that Viper out and
Yeah.
let you trim it out.
I've heard real good things about those.
It's supposed to be really good, like a jet apprentice is what they say.
Right. Yeah, because it's got safe and everything built into it too.
Yep.
I would definitely bind it with safe if you can.
Yep, I did.
It's funny, I don't like flying a plane with safe on it because it takes so much real estate when you're going to turn them.
Yep.
But I love having the safe on it because if you get misoriented, you can just flip that switch and might be the difference between buying a new plane or not.
I have yet to be able to bind any plane with safe and assign it to a switch.
Really?
Yeah, I just can't do it. I've tried I've watched videos, I've done everything.
Some of the older ones have a little bit different procedure, but for the most part they're all the same. But you do got to assign the switch in the radio too.
Right. Yeah. Learn. That's really nice.
Thanks. Yeah, you got to love this thing, man. That F-16 that I won in the club raffle,
Yes.
that flies really, really well also. But I've only got probably 2 or 3 flights on it, something like that. And it's I'd say it flies as well as this one does.